How to change music speed on Spotify. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change music speed on Spotify. So let's get started with the video. The first step is to launch your Spotify app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now it will take you to the home page of Spotify. Now go ahead and play any of this song. Now at the top right corner of the song, you will find 3 dots. Click on it. Different options will appear, such as add to like songs, add to playlist, hide song, and so on. But you won't find the option of change music speed, so click on the option of premium. Even though you upgrade your Spotify to the premium version, you won't get the option to change the music speed. Because as if right now there's no such option within Spotify to change the music speed, so upgrading your Spotify to the premium version will give you the access to these features such as ad-free music listening, download to listen offline, high audio quality, and more. But in the list of features, you will not find the option to change the speed because at the moment this feature is not available in the Spotify. But in the future, if this feature comes up, I will definitely update you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.